welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star mini mystery box, and I already unboxed the premium box, so if you guys want to watch that, I will link it up here. And I did get both boxes in a bigger box, which you guys will see in that same video, so make sure to go check that out. But anyways, here is the mini mystery box. It is tiny and I feel like it's smaller than usual. But yeah, and the box looks different as well. Let's unbox this really quick. And if I do look like sweaty and tired and sunburned, is because I was at the beach right now and I just got home and I wanted to unbox it before I showered. Anyways, here is the box. I'm really excited about this because I did like my other box, but I'm excited to see what's in this box. So it comes with It comes with yellow tissue paper, and here are the products. So let's check it out. Okay, I'm super excited, you guys. Okay, so it comes with the gloss, and let's see, this is the shade Mouthful, and I think I don't have this one, so I will be keeping this one. Okay, so here is the gloss. It looks super pretty. It looks like a nude gloss. Man, no puedo tener música. My mom's putting like music in the background. She's trying to get me demonetized. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it on this hand. Okay, this one is like pretty sheer. It's like a regular lip gloss. It has a little bit of like specks of glitter or something like that. Shimmers. Hopefully you guys could see it. So it's really pretty. It's just like a natural looking gloss, like a regular sheer gloss. So far I'm happy with this gloss. Okay, now the next product, it is this right here, and this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Automatic Eyeliner. Hey, this is an eyeliner, you guys, and this is a money counter. I didn't know he had eyeliners. I'm really excited about this. You do have to slide it out. Ta-da! Okay, this is so cool. And it's like a lime green, I think. Okay, I'm super excited for this, you guys. Look at that. Super pretty. I'm going to swatch it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like it's neon. Can't wait to try it on my eyes. Okay, if this is actually neon, I'm going to be super happy. Oh, crap. I already broke the tip. Damn it. So I broke the tip, which is okay, I guess. I'm going to try to smudge this one on my hand and see how it looks. Okay, I'm really upset that oh my gosh, it looks neon. Holy crap. Okay, so I'm upset that the tip broke off, but it's okay. But look at it, you guys. It's like super neon. Holy moly. If it actually looks like this on the eyes, I'm going to be super happy. Like, whoa, that's crazy bright. So far so good. I can't try on the eyeliner right now because I do have eyeliner on my eyes, but I'll try it on tomorrow or something. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I did not know he had eyeliners. Okay, now the next product is right here, and this is a velour liquid lipstick, and this is the shade, I'm not sure, is the shade Jeffree Star or what the heck? That's what it looks like. It doesn't have a name anywhere. But it kind of looks like the cowboy thing, like his ranch palette. Oh, this is a pretty color. This is it right here. It looks really pretty. It kind of looks like, I feel like it kind of looks like the cookie liquid lipstick. I mean, I don't have it, but I've seen pictures of it. But anyways, this color is super pretty, and it looks like the color that I normally wear. So I'm really happy that I got this. And see, it doesn't really have a shade name. I'm not sure if it's just like Jeffree Star or if it's like a cowboy star. I don't know. But anyways, this is it right here. Let me swatch this. I think this is like the first normal liquid lipstick that I get from Jeffree Star, so that makes me really happy. Kind of feel like it smells like cookie or something. So here is the swatch. And as you can see, it looks really pretty. This is a type of liquid lipstick I normally wear, like that shade. So I'm really happy that I got this liquid lipstick. Okay, now on to the last two products, you guys. I did get two single shadows. These right here. This one right here is Suck, and this one is Sweetener. So that's what they look like. I think this one is in the Jawbreaker palette, which I don't mind. I already said I'm going to keep it because I'm going to put it in my single palette. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is pretty. Look at that. It's a pretty orange shade, so I'm going to swatch it. And I did get a C palette by Jeffree Star. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to go see it. It's in the premium unboxing video. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's a pretty orange. Cool. My hand looks like Halloween now. So that's pretty. Okay, now the last product, it is the other single shadow and the shade Sweetener. I almost dropped the shade as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a pretty shimmer and it's like a pinky orange shimmer. So let me swatch it. And it feels really buttery, so I like that. I'm going to swatch it right here. Whoa, it looks really pretty. Okay. I don't think this shade is in the Jawbreaker palette because I don't remember swatching it. But anyways, here it is right there. It's like a pretty like salmon color, or I don't know, it looks really pretty. It's like a pinky orange shade. And it looks really, really beautiful. Okay, so anyways, that is everything that I got in the mini mystery box. And I'm really happy with everything that I got. I got the eyeliner, I got the lip gloss, I got the liquid lipstick, and I got 2 single shadows. So that's what, 5 products. So this was definitely worth my $25 and I'm really happy that I got it. And I can't wait to use everything that I got in this box and also in my premium mystery box. So yeah, make sure to go check out that video if you guys haven't. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys also got this mystery box or if you guys got any of the same things I did, because I would like to know. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.